Today's my special day where I make a friend. Well, I made this wonderful friend with one sock. And then I had another sock. So I made another wonderful friend. Hello there. Hi. Would you two like to come and meet Charlie at the beach? Fantastic. Splendid. Oh, you would? Great. Okay, you two wait here while I go and pack my bag.
Ah, puppet friends. What? Oops.
Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, my water bottle spilt. Oh no. My sock puppet friend's all wet. Okay, lid back on nice and tight. Oh, I better pop you into the dryer. Okay, here we go. Won't be long before you're dry enough to come out. There. Hello. Hello. Let's play some games today. It's a wonderful day to make a friend today. Hello. Hello. Let's play some games today. Let's make a friend and play some games today. Let's get to know somebody new, somebody to make friends with you. Hello. 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 Okay, let's finish packing this bag. A nice healthy lunch for Charlie and I to share. This bag's getting full. But it just fits everything in. Ding ding! That can't be dry already. That was quick. Goodness, how did you get to be so much smaller? Let's see. You've shrunk. And you're the perfect size for my hand. Yes, I'm the perfect fit. Oh, but you're still a bit damp. I better pop you back into the dryer. There you go.
Chip make friend very small.
Hello. Hello. Let's make a friend today. It's a wonderful day to make a friend today. Hello. Hello. It's a wonderful day today. Let's make a friend and play some games today. Let's get to know somebody new, somebody to make friends with you. Hello. 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 Okay, let's see. Put this in there. There's not much room left in my bag, but I'm sure I can squeeze this puppet friend in there somehow. Ding ding! The other sock puppet must be dry now. Oh, look. The dials turn up to very hot. Sock puppet friend, where have you gone? Goodness, you did shrink a lot. Oh, you're tiny. Oh, but you're the perfect fit for my finger. Tiny and perfect. And you know what? You can stay right there, finger puppet. I won't need to fit you in my bag at all now. Come on, let's go and see our friend Charlie.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Hello.